Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. We're back, and it's bad. Or should I say bat? Here we go. We're going on with the Batman build. Let's get straight into this. There we go. This is what you can see at the moment, and I'll turn a little light on the side as well so you can see a little bit better, because it's a lot of black in this first stage in 1959, and we're working on that roof. There's a number 2 on that, and that is the first one we put together, and that's the number 1, as you can see right there. We're going to push that onto the other one, fiddly as anything. Let's get my tweezer out so I can push those together as well. There we go. And then we put a screw in that one there, which is of course the BP what else, because that's the only screws we got in this stage. And it's into plastic, so no need for extra oil to make that easier to go in. There we go. Now, yeah, we're going to do the same thing for the other side. One on that side, as you can see, we push that on, and one on that side, and then we're going to put that onto that one, and then we're going to push like so, and then we put more of those BPs on the back. As you can see right there, they're on all BPs, and that is what we have. So we're going to put that to the side, because that is the first stage done, I think. It is. So let's go to the next one. And that's stage 60, neatly packed in paper. And you heard that they're both metal because you heard it clunk. So we're going to turn this around and put that on like so, with 2 SMs on behind it. And I need a very small thin screwdriver. Well, as you can see right there, parts are in. And then we put it on there. That's that second part on there like so, and nothing else but those CMs to go in. And again, we are going to use a little bit of oil on the tip of that screw. It's just to help you get those screws in a little bit easier. Not all the way. That's always the thing. If there's more than one screw to go in, don't over tighten them straight away. Or don't tighten them straight away. But only when both screws are in, can you fully tighten it up. And that is what you should have, with 2 CMs on the side. '61. Ooh, we've got another very tiny screwdriver in here. All right. CF, I need one with the shorter arm. Then we're getting that one out. I'm putting it in there. And then we're putting this one over. And that keeps that little thing in there. And now we need to screw that together with MP screws, these tiny ones. So we've got a screwdriver there. Okay, I need to get a part out for the table. I'm going to put that to the side for a moment, get that one out, and put those pins, these 2 onto those 2 points, and we will screw them on with CM screws, and we will put a bit of oil on the tip of that. That just makes it so much easier to screw in. CMs are on. Then we get that strange thing out and put it on like so. We need to turn that around because what are we going to put in that? It's a fiddly thing to do. WP. Wow. Fiddly stuff, guys. How many fingers do I need to put this in? Unbelievable. A lot. Let's try it that way. All right, that's in. Let's turn it around and do the other 2 screws that we need to put in to get that APs. Ain't easy, guys. You need to push from the other side, otherwise you're pushing the part that you're screwing into away. All right, now we can loosen that one up. Okay. So we're pushing that one on the other side, and 2 more APs in there, and then 1 more in that position, and then we've got that wing on. It does flap a bit, as you can see right there. And that's it for this stage. The 3 stages that I am doing for this build. So thank you very much for joining me again. That was with this beautiful wing that we made, wing, and the roof rack that we did as well. Hope you will join me next time when I do some more of these beautiful builds and working on the Batman and Batmobile. But check out my channel. There's a lot more in the background, as you can see right there. There's more Tumblr coming quite soon as well. But have a look at my channel because there are some beautiful builds there as well. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.